Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to pack my bags to go to the crop. Well, you'll be seeing this the day that I went to the crop. So I thought I'd share with you what I bring on top of my page kits. And this is one of the bags that I bring. You can tell, it's been a while. So I'll take that out. Don't need that anymore. Hand sanitizer, though, I like to keep. I have painkillers. We're going to leave that in there. A scraper, hand cream. I always find that my hands get so dry. And then I have lens cleaner for my glasses. I like to have a glove because sometimes it gets, whatever you're trying to do gets a little dirty. A rubber thingy-majig. And then the rest can probably get thrown out here. Oh, my garbage. I've already picked it up. Okay. This too. I can probably tip this over, but I'm not going to bother. Not today. And then we'll just put that in there. I'll just try to pick up a little bit and just clean this up. Okay, so I just took this out. It goes on the bottom here, and that's where I put most of my washi tapes. I just fit them in there, the ones that fit. Do you know what I mean? So, and usually it pretty much fits pretty much all the washi tapes I'm going to bring, but this time I'm bringing some of these bigger ones, so those won't fit in there. So I'll just stick them over here. I have two of them, so I'll stick them there. And I also want to bring just some twine, just white. I like to stitch with that too. And since I'm thinking of that, I'm going to bring some needles. I'll put them on the bottom too. I have this thing of paintbrushes, so we'll stick them in there. Maybe like that. That works. Then where is my little trimmer? Oh, there it is. Of course, my photo trimmer. I bring that, the little one. And then I have my scissors, and then I have my little scissors that I'm going to bring. That goes in there too. Actually, there's a little pocket on the side here. A little pocket on the side. I have money in there. A few quarters and stuff. The big scissors won't fit in there, but the little scissors do. And then I usually bring like something like a bone folder of some kind. And then I bring an X-Acto knife. Now I'm going to bring, this has a pencil and a pen. So I'm going to bring that. That probably won't fit in there, but I'll fit it up here somewhere. But I have a ruler and an eraser. And then I have these pens. This one is kind of outside, so I'll put it in there. And the rest of the pens, I'll fit it with the paintbrushes here. Then this is the roll I was talking about that I had. That's just a little bit of foam tape. I pretty much put foam tape in between all, in behind the butterflies, but in case I forgot some, my stapler and some extra staples. Of course, some ATG stuff, my ATG. So usually those two fit together, so that's perfect. And then I have for journaling, I have a package of 10. I have a package of 20, which yes, I'll have way more colors, but I think this is good enough, right? I can make it with that. So I'm just going to bring this along. And then I have my wet ones. And that's everything that's going to go in here. So this is packed. I just need to zip this up. I might, you know, if I think of other stuff that needs to go in here, I'll put it in here. But up to now, oh, some wet glue. I need some wet glue. Always need some wet glue, right? And I think this is going to be good. This is going to be good. And then this, I'll put it under here. So I'll put it under here and then I'll zip it up. So that's one bag done. The next thing I bring is this. It's like a photo box, you know. And I always leave it empty because I don't go often to crops, but when I do, I don't want to have to take this, whatever's in here, and, you know, have to take it out. So my distress inks, I like to bring those. So I bring all of them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 containers, and that's fine. And then I'm going to bring one of my archival inks. I made sure it had the black and the brown so that I can stamp my alphabet stamp set. My little tool, that could have went in the other, but that's okay. Now, I'm going to bring some distress crayons, but I don't know which ones. So, that's my earthy tone, so that one for sure. And the blues. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll combine these to bring them, so I don't have to bring, you know what I mean, like 3 containers. I might do that. I might open these up, and then when I come home, I have to separate them again, but it's not a big deal. It's one less container I have to take with me. And if I can't bring them all, that's okay, as long as I have some colors that are the same, you know, in that color family. So some yellows, some, seems to me I could do it, or pretty close to it. There we go. That worked. So we'll have that and that, and I'll separate it again when I come home. Now, I'm just going to bring a few distress spray stain. There you go. And I'm going to bring some watercolor paper. So maybe 2-3 sheets of watercolor paper. I'm going to put them with my page kits. And then one thing I want to bring this time is all my stickers from 49 and Market. Just like that. Am I going to have enough room? To put them all in here? I think I better put them on their sides here. This one's a little smaller, I think. Nope, the same size. So maybe we can make sure those fit on the bottom. Okay, I think this one's going to be okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, I want to make sure that these stand up too and don't go sideways, because then they'll spill, right? Put there like that. And what else did I want to put in there? Ooh, I wanted to bring my pens, my Tombow pens. Ooh, I know what else. For the dates, I want this one. That could go in my other one too. I want that one, and I want this one. Is there anything else I want to put in here? Anything else? Sometimes I bring like stencils and that kind of stuff, but I don't think I'm going to do that this time. Oh, I want to bring a few of those to make enamel dots. So we'll bring a blue. I won't bring a lot. A blue, a black, a brown, and I should have a white. I should bring a white. We'll bring a pink. Let's try to find a white here. Here's a white. Here's a white. No, these are my favorites. The enamel accents from Ranger. I think now you can only get black and white, but way back in the day you could get other colors. So I'm just going to bring those. And then that pretty much fills this up, right? I don't think I need anything else. I don't think I need anything else. That's for the dye inks. This is for the crayons. Maybe I could bring that. I'll put it in my other case, like the one with the handles, because I think it'll fit in there. So I can put this away. What else? What else? What else? What else? Oh, I need to bring my mat. This mat right here, right? So I can cut stuff out with my X-Acto knife if I need to. What else? I'm going to bring this container for to put on the side of my table, right? And it has this with it too. I just took it off so I could clean. I take the garbage out because it was full, but I'll keep them separate, but it hangs there and then it goes on my table. I use it all the time now, so that's good, but I'll take it off my table for that. I'll bring that. I'll bring this, and of course my trimmer. And what I did was I kept my box. I'm adding this to that container with all the inks and stuff just because it's journaling cards. So I kept my box and I just keep it in my basement so it's not in my way. But then when I go somewhere, I know that my Caterpillar crop is nice and safe. So I think that's it. That's all I bring. I'm going to put a few, like I said, watercolor paper in with my page kits, which I'll show you the bag that I bring. That's the same thing. I keep it in my basement, and actually I keep this in there, and I keep my big brown and green bag in there. So then it's nice and everything's all together. So like when I went to get this, all this was all in there. So I might as well chuck this out. And that's it. I'm going to put my page kits in there and the watercolor paper and this. So that is all the stuff that I bring at a crop. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.